Hello my dear student, today we are going to discuss about the angular momentum. Previously we have discussed the linear momentum. Now today we are going to learn about the angular momentum. So what is the angular momentum? Okay, how can we define the angular momentum? We know that whenever the particle or body moves in a circular path about a fixed point, then the linear momentum is converted into the angular momentum. So the angular momentum may be defined as the moment of linear momentum is called the angular momentum. It is denoted by L and written as L is equal to R cross P. R is the perpendicular distance of the body from the rotational axis and P is the angular momentum. So L is equal to R cross P. It is a vector quantity because it has a specific direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So it is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is kg meter square per second and dimensional formula is kg के लिए आ जाता है m, मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए l स्क्वायर, पर सेकंड के लिए t इनवर्स. ओके, so m l square t minus 1 is the dimensional formula of angular momentum. Okay, now we are going to relate the angular momentum in terms of torque. So the relation between torque and angular momentum. Since we have L is equal to R cross V, if we differentiate both sides with respect to t, टाइम के रिस्पेक्ट में अगर हम इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दें, then dl over dt is equal to d over dt of r cross p. So we take both are the time function. So we take the first term of r, second term of p. ओके, इसका जो मेथड होता है वो क्या होता है स्टूडेंट? फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, सेकंड का डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं तो dp ओवर dt प्लस अब हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे dr ओवर dt इनटू p को ऐसे ही यहाँ पर नोट कर दो मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, तो अब हम यहाँ पर वैल्यूज अप्लाई करते हैं. dp ओवर dt वी नो क्या होता है, फोर्स बाय सेकंड लॉ ऑफ न्यूटन, एंड r dr ओवर dt दिस इज द वेलोसिटी टर्म, p is equal to m dot v, imv, p is equal to mv, linear momentum. So apply these values, r cross f plus b cross p is equal to mv, b cross mv. Okay, now dl over dt is equal to r cross f. This is called the torque. Okay, moment of force is called the torque, and b cross b is the same direction. For the same direction, theta will be 0 and a cross b is equal to 0. So b cross b is equal to यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा. Now dl over dt is equal to torque. This is the relation between angular momentum and the torque. From this relation, we can explain the torque term rate of change of angular momentum. dt over dt means rate, time rate. d means change, l means angular momentum. यानी time rate of change of angular momentum is called the torque. If we consider there is no force is acting on the body, then there is no torque exerting on the body. So if torque is equal to 0, dl over dt is equal to 0, means dl is equal to 0 and l is equal to कैसा हो जाएगा, constant. From this relation we can say that if there is no torque is acting on it, means in the absence of external torque, the total angular momentum of the body should be constant. Okay, this is the law of conservation of angular momentum. Okay, thank you student.